Hello everyone. Today we will learn mole concept.
The mole concept in chemistry is a fundamental principle used to quantify the amount of substances by counting particles like atoms, molecules, or ions in bulk. Just like we measure distance in meter and weight in kilogram, in chemistry we count atoms, molecules, particles in moles. Today I'll make the concept super easy for you with simple tricks and solved examples. A mole is defined as the amount of substance containing the same number of entities as atoms in 12 grams of carbon-12. The number of particles in one mole is Avogadro's number. Think of a mole like a dozen, but instead of 12, it is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Let's understand it with a simple example. For example, let's suppose you have 12 grams of oxygen. So for calculate the moles, you need two things. Okay? You need the given mass and the molar mass. And the molar mass is the 32. One mole is the important points to learn. One mole is equal to 6.022 10 raised to power 23 and the formulas too. Subscribe for more such content. Thank you.